Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check your laptop temperature on MSI Cyborg 15. To do it, you'll need to simply go to a browser first to download a program in it. So let's go to a browser, then search for CoreTemp. Okay. So yeah, this is the name, CoreTemp, and you should go to www.alcpu.com. Make sure it's that website because there are some other websites and they may be scammer websites which may download the program with a virus or something. So make sure it's this exact website. Now go to download. Then I'm gonna close an ad. And you can see it's downloaded. Let's click on the file to open it. Then simply click on yes to open the CoreTemp. Then click on next. Accept the agreement. Next. Next. And unselect build your kingdom. Then you can also unselect other ones if you want. Like I don't want to describe shortcuts, so I'm gonna unselect that. Then click on install next. I'm gonna unselect those as well and finish. Then let's just search for CoreTemp. Click on yes. And it'll open the program that has your CPU temperatures. And you can see for different cores and also like for your whole CPU, is it there? I don't see the one for like the whole CPU, so that's a bit weird, but okay, maybe I'm wrong. So this is the current temperature on the left side, then you have the minimal one, and I think it's being measured since your laptop has been turned on, but I'm not really sure about that. Then the maximum is also like the peak temperature since it was turned on probably. And load is the current utilization of that certain core. Then you can also see the power, the current power. Then this is for you can see like for IA cores, it is different. Then for GT graphics core, for Unicore, which is estimated, and here it's not. Okay. And you can also view your temperature for your GPU if you need by right-clicking on the taskbar, then clicking on Task Manager, then going to Performance tab, which is right here, and you'll see your GPU, and next to its utilization, you'll see its temperature, and it's only measured for the GPU that's the dedicated one, because the other one, in my case it's Intel's, it's actually integrated into the CPU, so it doesn't have its temperature measured because it has the same temperature as CPU. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.